Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bait Shack estate and one of its many highlights across the 7 extraordinary acres, the guest house. This nearly 3,000 square foot guest house was designed for creativity, offering generous space for guests and imagination to abound. With intricate details like Bahama shutters, pineapple carved railings, and charming covered porches complete with porch swings, where coastal character meets timeless island charm. Featuring a dramatic art studio with soaring ceilings, a multi-purpose workshop, and a luxurious upstairs apartment complete with kitchen, laundry, and full bath, a private retreat that embodies coastal comfort and refined island living, all connected by a spiral staircase leading to a rooftop widow's walk. And now we're reimagining what this space could become. Through virtual staging, this guest house transforms into a 3-bedroom, 3-bath luxury residence, complete with a full kitchen, a private in-home gym, and a dedicated movie theater, designed for modern island living. As these renderings reveal, the expansive art studio can be beautifully reimagined into a private downstairs suite, featuring a full bedroom, bathroom, and in-home gym. This versatile workshop space offers endless possibilities, from a private cinema to an upscale game room, allowing the main residence's theater to become a beautiful ensuite bedroom with sweeping ocean views. Upstairs, you can create a full living and dining room, making the most of the kitchen, laundry, and bathroom already in place for effortless everyday living and entertaining. And with the generous footprint of the art studio below, there's an exciting opportunity to add 2 additional bedrooms and another full bathroom just off the dining space, expanding this home into a truly functional retreat for family and guests. Now, enjoy a walkthrough as you visualize these concepts we have described. As we walk through this guest house, you may already be picturing your own vision. Let your imagination soar. Picture how you would transform this space, designing a layout that reflects your lifestyle, your vision, your dreams. Whether it becomes a private retreat, an entertainment haven, or a multi-generational residence, this home is a blank canvas on one of the most extraordinary estates in the Florida Keys. Create a space that fits your desires, your rhythm, your legacy, here at the Bait Shack Estate. Perhaps you could create a cozy reading nook on the way to the roof. And this is just one inspired vision among a myriad of possibilities for this guest house at the iconic Bait Shack Estate. From creative studio to luxury retreat, entertainment hub to private residence, the options here are truly endless. Now, we'd love to hear from you. In the comments below, share how you would use this incredible and versatile space. And if you're ready to experience it in person, reach out to schedule your own private showing. Come see firsthand what makes this estate so extraordinary. Thank you for watching our tour of the guest house. Now that you've seen this incredible space, click here for the full estate tour. You won't want to miss it.